Hey everyone, let's unbox the May Curls monthly mailer, and this is the Umberto Giannini takeover box. And I've heard a lot about this brand, but I've never tried them, so I am excited. My husband did trim my hair this week, and I feel like it looks so short. He only took off about an inch, but you know when curly hair gets trimmed, how it just gets so bouncy, and so yeah, it'll grow back. I just can't wait for my length to get back because this is a little too short for me. But open it up, yellow. First, we got the mailer, the little letter, and if you don't know Curls Monthly, you get 5 products a month, full size, travel size samples. You can either pick what you want or get the curated, what they put together, such as what this one is. I'll show you. Talks about a member of the month, and then shows next month's mailer. Let's see, what's the next month? Oh, cool. Next month looks really good, so if you want to subscribe, it's a good time to do so. I do have a discount code in my bio, or I could send it to you, and then I could help you if you want to help personalizing stuff that way. But yeah, let me know. So open it. Oh, this, I could smell the scent of the products. Here we go. So it comes with a postcard. How to use Curl Jelly #1 bestseller. Oh cool, there's a QR code to get 20% off. So that's really nice. The #1 cult curl product for over 20 years, the Curl Jelly. Like I said, I've heard of it. I've heard of this brand. I've heard a lot of good things. I just never actually tried them. So let's get to it. First thing is the Curl Jelly. So I actually did buy this not that long ago, and I haven't tried it yet. I bought it. I think they had a special vanilla scent, and I love vanillas, so I naturally had to. Again, I didn't try it yet because I'm the worst. But scrunching, drying all types of curls. How does it smell? I actually don't know how they smell. It's like a light powdery scent. It's not bad. Definitely powdery, a little floral. Next we have this tub. This is the Curl Custard, coconut oil and shea butter. So edge shape and bounce. And then of course this is cruelty free. I shouldn't say of course because I never know what boxes, but cruelty free and vegan. So this is what that looks like. Looks like it's like medium to thick, but if I turn it all the way, it's definitely gonna pour out. Same scent as the scrunching jelly. Then we have another full-size product. Those are both full-size, by the way. Full-size Curl Whip Curl Activating Mousse. So I always love seeing like old school mousses like this. I feel like there's not so many anymore. But we'll be trying that. We'll be trying all of these. I'm very excited. This is a Curl Jelly Refresh Curl Reviving Spray. I'm a sucker for a good like day 2, day 3 hair like revival spray. I don't go past day 3. If I do, it's very rare. For the sake of my scalp. That's a whole other thing. Revive and restore bounce, texture, and shine to flat, lackluster curls. But yeah, love a good refresh. And last but not least, we have the 2 ounces or 1.69 ounce of the Salt Scrub Exfoliating Scalp Treatment with Coconut and Vitamin E. Does this smell the same? I feel this is a different color. Maybe the smell is different. That's the texture of it, if you'd like to see. Yeah, so it's slightly different, but my scalp's very, very sensitive, and it usually doesn't like scrubs. So the odds are that this is going to be a nice body scrub for me, and that's just once you get to know your hair and your scalp and how it reacts, I think I'm sure that works great if you could tolerate scalp scrubs. I'm very sensitive. But yeah, great May box. 4 out of 5 full sizes and a generous travel size. You can't beat that. Get to discover a new brand. I'm excited. So yeah, if you want to subscribe with a discount, link in bio. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.